Hi, I'm Matt, and today we're going to create a collection in Shopify. So a collection is simply a group of products. Now a collection could be made manually or automatically. I'll show you how to do both, but let's start with the manual way. So first we need to create our collection. To do that, go to Products, down to Collections, and click Create Collection. Once you're there, we can describe our new collection. So I'm going to put desktop audio, and my description's going to be sustainably sourced let's think, handcrafted for over 150 years. So once you've wrote your title and description, I'm going to choose a collection image. Now collection images are really useful because they'll be shown as a thumbnail and also on your collection page. So make sure it's relevant. So I'm going to choose a speaker. Wait for that to upload. And here's collection type. So collection type is how products will be added to your collection. This can be done manually or automatically. For now I'm going to choose manual. But we will talk about how to automatically add products later using something called conditions. And if we scroll down, we can see the search engine listing preview. So this is how your collection will be shown in search engines. So make sure that's how you want it. And once you're happy, go to the top and press save. And now we can start adding products to our collection. So where it says products, I'm going to hit browse. And I'm going to choose the top 2 products. If you have lots of products, you can search for them with the search bar at the top. I'm happy with that, so I'm going to hit add. So let's view this new collection. And here we go. So we have our title, our background image, our description, and our products that have been added to the collection. Just ignore this for a second. This is a poll created with FeedMe. In fact, if you're frustrated that people aren't buying from your store and would like to find out why, or you just like to get feedback from your visitors, make sure you check FeedMe out. Link is in the video description. So, now that I've done my bit of product placement, I'm going to close FeedMe. So I'm happy with this collection page, so I'm going to hit the cross. And now we've created our collection. So we've created our collection, added some products. The next step is to add this new collection to our storefront. And to do that, we go down to Sales Channels and Online Store. Click that. And now we need to enter the theme editor. To do this, press Customize. Wait for this to load. And now we're going to add a new section. Now we can decide how our collection will be displayed on our storefront. We have a choice of collection list and featured collection. So a collection list are multiple collections. So usually it's just the name of the collection and the thumbnail. Or there's a featured collection, which is a single collection, and it will show a few products within that collection. For now, I'm going to choose featured collection. And as you can see, a placeholder's appeared on the storefront. So I'm happy with that. So I'm going to hit add. I'm going to give the heading of audio, if I can spell it right. And I'm going to choose the collection I've just created, desktop audio, and hit select. Now we can choose how many products per row we have and how many rows. But I'm happy with that. So I'm going to hit save. And there we go. We've just added our new collection to our storefront. To exit the theme editor, press the Shopify icon on the top left. So we've just created our manual collection. However, what if you have lots of products that you'd like to add to a collection? It can be very time consuming to add each one manually. That's where automated collections can help. So to create an automated collection, go to Products, Collections again, and then hit Create Collection. Again, you can describe your collection. I'm just going to leave it like that for now. Then under Collection Type, make sure Automated is selected. It's usually selected by default, but just make sure. So automated collections work using something called conditions. Now conditions are what must be met by a product for it to be added to a collection. For example, if a product's tag is equal to bamboo, then all products with the bamboo tag will be added to this collection. But there's lots of conditions we can choose from. So we could have product price, product weight, product type. So for example, if it's product price, we can have product price is greater than 5, and we can also use multiple conditions to narrow down our selection. So if I go add another condition and have product price is less than 15, then all the products with a price greater than 5 but less than 15 will be added to this collection. For now, I'm going to delete both of these, change it back to product tag, and have it equal to bamboo. There we go. So now if I hit save, I have two products which have been added to this collection because they both have the product tag bamboo. And we can check that by going to all products, choosing a product, and checking the tag. So now all products with this tag bamboo will be added to this collection. If I remove the tag from this product and hit save, and go back to our collections and go into collection 2, that product should now be removed from this collection, and it's all been done automatically. And there we have it. If this video has helped you, make sure you hit the like button and post a comment because it will help others find this video. And make sure you subscribe. I have some great videos planned, including startup stories of successful Shopify stores, where we break down how they did it and what you can learn. And of course, more how-to videos. Thanks for watching.